Good evening, dear student. Today in this class, we'll study about mirror formula, like what is the relation between object distance, image distance, and focal length. So we know, dear student, what is the image nature in. So, dear student, try to understand this figure. So this is a we can keep object at this point. So from this point, ray will go like this parallel to principal axis. After reflection, will go back through principal focus. Again, object a ray passes through principal focus. Will reflect. Will become parallel to principal axis. Both the ray will meet at this point. So here we can get our image, that is inverted image, that is b dash. A dash is image. So let it be h o, that is object height, and hi, let it be, this is image height. And here, so here this, let it be, this is object distance from the pole of the mirror, and this is v, this is the image distance. So these words try to keep it in mind. So here we can take two triangles. So this is one triangle, this is one right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle. So here, if you take like this, so here this will form like one right angle triangle. So here this is one right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle. So let it be, it is Q, and this you produce here, it is R. So this right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, we are having two right angle triangle. Now we need to prove that is they are similar like that. Let us compare two right angle triangle. So these two right angle triangle. So this is one right angle triangle, that is ABF, ABF up to this, and QPF. So this is QPF. So these two right angle triangle we can compare. So here we can get 90 degree. This also we can get 90 degree. Angle ABF is equal to angle QPF. So these two angles 90 degree, because object always be placed perpendicular. So even this is always be perpendicular to principal axis. So angle AFB, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Angle QFP or PFQ, that is vertically opposite angles. So on angle criteria, AA criteria, so we can say these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABF is similar to triangle QPF. So if two triangles are similar, we know, dear student, so then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So this AB side divided by this PQ sides, corresponding sides ratio, AB will be PQ is equal to this BF side length divided by PF side length is equal to AF side length divided by QF side length, because the region is, so triangles are similar. So here AB is nothing but it is object height HO, this PQ, see, look at, dear student, this PQ is nothing but this B dash A dash. So this is parallel. So PQ is nothing but it is here, it is image height HI is equal to BF length. This much we want, dear student. Already here to here it is U, that is object distance. In that, this much distance go, this much distance F you subtract, you will get this much distance is U minus F. So BF distance is U minus F, and PF distance, here PF distance we know it is focal length. So this is what you name it as expression 1. So try to understand concept clearly. Now, dear student, we can consider two more right angle triangle. Come to this right angle triangle A dash B dash F, this right angle triangle, and A dash B dash F, this right angle triangle, and here you can take RPF, this right angle triangle, these two. So you can take these two right angle triangle, and we know, dear student, it is A dash B dash F. Here we can get 90 degree, and this also be 90 degree perpendicular. So this angle is equal to this angle in these two triangles. Angle A dash B dash F. A dash B dash F is equal to RPF 90 degree, because image and object, this is nothing but object height only. So they are perpendicular 90 degree. And A dash FB angle. A dash FB. This angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. Angle PFR. Angle PFR. So these two are vertically opposite for these two triangles. VOA we can write. So on angle basis we can write it. So these two triangles are similar. So triangle A dash B dash F similar to right angle triangle RPF. So angle criteria we can write like this. So when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio or in proportion. So that is nothing but A dash B dash, its corresponding side is RPR is equal to this much length, B dash F, this much length divided by this much length, that is PF, is equal to A dash F divided by this much length, RF. So this much length, actually this is mirror up to here. So here this much length and this much length we can neglect it, because this much and this much. So A dash F divided by RF. So we can give region and triangles are similar. So look at, dear student, A dash B dash is nothing but image height. So HI and PR length. See, this is parallel like this. So wherever you go, these parallel will be height will be same. So this is nothing but object height. So this also be object height. So HO is equal to B dash F. So this much B dash F. So here to here we know, dear student, is the image distance. In that this much, okay, it is image. This is image distance up to here. In that this much distance, focal length, if you subtract, you will get this much distance. That is B dash F is nothing but V minus F divided by PF. We know it is PF is nothing but focal length. So this is expression no. Expression 2. Compare expression 1 and 2. So here expression 1. So it is HO divided by HI. So I can write it is HO divided by HI is equal to F divided by V minus F. Now I can name it expression 3. Okay, expression okay. Name it as expression 3. Reciprocal I have taken for this. HO divided by HI is equal to F divided by VF. You can neglect this part in this ratio, and in this ratio you can neglect this part. Now compare expression 1 and 3. HO divided by HI is equal to this much is there. Even HO divided by HI is equal to this much is there. When LHS of both the equations same, RHS of both the equations must be same only. So from expression 1 and 2 we can write, so U minus F is equal to F is equal to F divided by V minus F. So clearly see, dear student. Let us compare expression 1 and expression 3. So we can see, so these two are equal. That's why UF divided by F is equal to F divided by, so VF. We can do cross multiplication these two, and these two will do cross multiplication. So UF, U minus F into V minus F is equal to F into F square. And here so these two you multiply, U minus F into V minus F is equal to F into F square. So U into V UV, so U into minus F minus VF, so minus F into V minus FV, minus into minus plus, so F into F square is equal to F square. So keeping UV here, all terms you shift outside. So that side will be F square is there, minus UF shift outside plus UF, and minus FV shift outside this it will become plus VF, and this plus F square you shift outside minus F square. So UV is equal to this plus F square, and This minus f square will get cancelled. So uf plus vf. So divide both the sides by uvf. Why we have to divide uvf means we have to get this formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we are now I am dividing both the sides by uvf. So uv divided by uvf is equal to uf divided by uvf plus vf divided by uvf. So here this uv gets cancelled. We can get 1 by f is equal to. So here uf will cancel. So remaining is v. So 1 by v plus here vf will cancel 1 by u. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we can get the formula f is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is what mirror formula. For both the mirror it is holds good. That may be concave mirror or maybe convex mirror. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this formula try to keep it in mind. Don't forget, dear student. Dear student, try to understand clearly, and after that you subscribe this channel, and after understanding try to share it. Very easy concept. In the examination they will not ask how the formula came like that, but to solve numerical problems we need formula. I hope. But if you go for higher studies, they will ask how the formula came like that.